Hello everyone, this is Steve with the Free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is May 25th and I'm doing a review and outlook for the price of silver. This is Silver's daily chart, and in review of the last video I'd shown you this falling wedge pattern. It is a positive pattern for the price of silver. However, it has not been able to break above it. It actually fell below it late last week. It's been actually 2 weeks since I produced the video. I had a sore throat last week, so I didn't. It's been 2 weeks since I produced the video. So anyways, back to the chart here. The price of silver fell on good data coming out of the United States, and it briefly came below the bottom trend line of the falling wedge, which for the outlook, I'm just really going to expand it because there's nothing else happening in the chart. But after it broke, it basically moved sideways until late this past week, when more harsher rhetoric, I guess you could say, has come out between China and the U.S. And actually, the U.S. has started to have a little bit of talks with, traded some words with Japan. So we're just making friends everywhere. But I mean, it's technically all for our good because they're basically going to the bank on our dollars. So our trade partners, and that's really where the administration has their issues, because we're getting the short end of the stick basically, and we just. I'm not touting anybody or anybody's position. I try to stay apolitical, but it is good that finally somebody is saying the things that need to be said, and that we should have a fair trade exchange between countries instead of one side having a better side than the other, or a better view than the other, or better outcomes than the other. So anyways, whether you're a friend or foe, we need to be friends with trade. So if you're going to trade with us, and it's good that we're finally bringing it to them as far as the way things should go. So anyways, for the outlook for silver, we have a falling wedge. We have resistance at 1485 and at 1508, support at 1438 and at 1405 and at 1390, which I doubt very much we're going to see 1405 or 1390 anytime in the future, but also anything can happen. So we'll really have to see what happens in the future. I am expecting the price of silver to break above the pattern and confirm it sometime. As far as when that's going to happen is anyone's guess. So I thank you for your time. I hope that you and your family have a safe and happy Memorial Day weekend. Take care and God bless.